In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate WooCommerce pages within 5 minutes. Diving into the world of e-commerce with WooCommerce is thrilling. It's a journey that opens up opportunities to showcase your products online. However, before we embark on cataloging products or styling our online storefront, it's crucial to lay the foundation of our WooCommerce site by generating the essential pages: home, shop, cart, checkout, and my account. Join me as we navigate through these foundational steps, ensuring your e-commerce site is both functional and user-friendly. To begin, we need to step into the command center of our website, the WordPress dashboard. It's the launching pad for our WooCommerce pages. If it's your first time here, think of the dashboard as mission control for your website. From creating content to adding new functionalities, this is where the magic happens. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you will find the Pages option. This is where all your site's pages live. If you're picturing a digital filing cabinet, you're not far off. We're about to add new, crucial files to that cabinet. Click on Pages, and you'll be greeted with a list of any pages your site already has. To add a new one, we're going to click on Add New Page. This is the exciting part where your site begins to take shape. Each page we create today lays the groundwork for your WooCommerce store. Creating a new page is like opening a blank canvas upon which you can paint the identity of your online store. You have the freedom here to name your page appropriately: shop, cart, checkout, account, each name signifying the key stages of your customer's online shopping experience. Imagine each page as a different room in a store, guiding your customers from browsing to buying. Once you've clicked Add New Page, you'll dive into customizing your page. This is where your vision comes to life. You can add titles, insert images, or write compelling content that speaks to your customers. For instance, your shop page might start with a welcoming message, enticing images of your products, and perhaps testimonials from satisfied customers. After customizing your page with titles, images, and any necessary blocks, it's crucial to hit the Publish button. This button is essentially the green light that puts your page out there for the world to see. It's the moment your digital page becomes a cornerstone of your online store. Publishing makes your page live on your website, making it accessible to visitors and potential customers. Remember, creating these pages isn't just about having content online, it's about creating a seamless, intuitive shopping experience. Each page has a specific role. Your shop page showcases your products, cart allows for review and adjustments before purchase, checkout processes payments securely, and My Account offers personalized space for your customers to track orders and manage their information. A few pro tips as you create and publish your pages. First, keep your page titles clear and straightforward. This ensures your customers can easily navigate your store. Second, leverage the power of visuals on your shop page to make your products irresistible. And third, always preview your pages before publishing. This step is like looking in the mirror before stepping out. It ensures everything is in place and appears exactly how you want it. In today's walkthrough, we've just laid the groundwork for your WooCommerce store by generating the essential pages every e-commerce site needs. Remember, these steps are just the beginning. Each page you've created is a foundation that you'll build upon as you add products, implement marketing strategies, and refine the customer experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now equipped to take the next steps in building your WooCommerce site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below.